All right, so this is the feature document video for SNAK-60, SNAK achievements. So right now in Firebase, this current user has 49 red apples, 9 non-processed snacks, and 9 low sodium snacks. For the low sodium and non-processed snacks, for level 1, you need 10 consumed snacks of that type. And then for red apples, for level 2, you need 50 red apples. So we're gonna go ahead and consume a snack now. I'm gonna use one that I know is going to satisfy those data points so that we can see the achievements pop up. So this is the one I like to use a lot to test. Agave Dream Ice Cream. We're just gonna type in the portion. Hit this. All right. Okay, so as you can see, this one doesn't pass the calories, saturated fat tests. Essentially, I made these different points very strict. If you don't have perfect scores for fat, then you don't get the low fat snack in Firebase. Same thing for sodium. If you have anything less than a 1, you don't get a low sodium snack. If you have anything less than 2, you don't get a low sugar snack. Most snacks are going to have at least one of these things as a perfect score. So I didn't want, users gaining things too easily. I wanted to make it somewhat challenging. So everything requires a perfect score in order to get that certain snack in Firebase. So right now, when I hit consume, what it's going to do is it's going to increment my red apple count because my overall score is 8 or higher and less than 11. If it was 11, we would get a golden apple. So it's going to increment for red apples. It doesn't pass the fat test, so we're not going to get that. It doesn't pass calories. It passes the sodium test, and we have 9 sodium snacks, and it passes the non-processed test, and we have 9 non-processed snacks. It also passes the sugar test, but this user currently has only 6 low sugar snacks in Firebase. So right now, when I hit consume, we're gonna see 3 different alerts pop up, one after another. All right, so we got the Red Warrior 2 achievement, gained for collecting 50 red apples. Now, right now in Firebase, I have 50 red apples, but I still have 9 for the other 2. The reason it's done this way is because if we try to show an alert with basically not sequentially the way it's done, the app will probably crash or freeze because it's going to try to display multiple alerts at the same time, which just isn't allowed. So basically the flow is it processes each type of score one at a time. And if that score satisfies the requirements, it'll pass a level that will be non-zero over to one of the other functions that will essentially determine whether or not a new achievement was gained. And then for that level, it'll display an alert. And only after the user taps OK does it continue processing the rest of the scores. So right now I'm going to click OK and it's going to continue and then process the other 2 scores. All right, so then you see achievement gained, Salt Bay 1. Hit OK again. And we'll see the final one pop up right now. Paleo 1, gained for consuming 10 snacks that are not processed. And those are the only 3 I've gained so far. And in Firebase now, I have under the achievements key, Paleo 1, Red Warrior 2, and Salt Bay 1. And all of the counts have been updated as well. And then if we go over here, this is part of SNAK 102, the other achievements dashboard video, but you'll see at first it'll tell us we don't have any, but then it'll retrieve them and you'll see all of your different achievements here. And that's about it.